Hi guys, and welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button. And thank you for coming along my journey. Today's video topic, I just wanted to talk about strength and struggle. If you're to continue to grow and to continue to lose your weight, and as you continue to lose your weight. In the early days of 2020, when I started my weight loss journey, I had no idea that I would continue on to 190 weeks. Now that we're into the 191st week, I continue to lose weight to this day. Although it's not coming off quite as fast as I'd like, it is a lot of effort and struggle to get to where I am. And I would encourage you not to give up, and I'm certainly never going to give up. So this is just a short little video. I'm doing really phenomenally well. In the first few days of the early 2020, when I went on weight loss, I averaged about 2.5 pounds a week right up until my first year of weight loss, and I ended up taking exactly 100 pounds off when I hit my August 17th anniversary day. August 17, 2022, I was pretty close to 200 pounds at one point. And then my weight started jumping back up again to where I am now. And right now I'm currently in the 255 range, which is still phenomenally well, but you know, not where I want to be. I want to be around 200 to 220. I still feel like I want to lose about another 30 pounds, and that'll happen. But it takes a lot of courage, and it takes a lot of strength and a lot of effort to be able to get your weight off and to be successful at a steady weight loss. And how I got a lot of my weight off, besides following clean keto, dirty keto, lazy keto, and carnivore, and all the others that they have. And yeah, it's been really a struggle for me right now. And but I'm back on track. I feel really good, and I'm going to encourage you guys to get out there and fight for what you believe in, which is what you want to accomplish. Or what are you trying to accomplish? My goal is to get healthy and to lose weight and feel good about myself. The more weight you lose, the more exercise you get, the stronger you're going to get, and the longer you're going to live. And even though we're all going through some tougher times, it's not going to be this way forever, I promise you. Things will turn around at some point overnight. And when you see that point in time that happens, you'll be thanking me that you took off all your weight. Because if you have grandchildren or kids, you're going to want to be there for them. And if you're overweight and you're dealing with health issues such as your back and your legs, and you can't walk, I mean, as long as you got legs, you can walk. I mean, in the early days of 2020, I couldn't even hardly walk from here to the bathroom. That's how bad my back was. But you know, it made me realize that 99% of my issue was my weight. So I went on a journey in 2020 to go on a mission to lose 180 pounds, and a very successful weight loss of 75 pounds in a 3-year span. I think that's phenomenally well. And I, for the last year, I went on maintenance, and I'm now back on track with keto, carnivore, and you know, a little bit of here and there, different things that I do from time to time, like beef and butter fast and egg fast. Now I just did a 3-day egg fast. I actually did 2.5 days of egg fasting. I ended up losing almost 4 pounds, which is good. And then I weighed in this morning, and I'm still down to 4 pounds, so I must have did something right during the egg fast. But then again, I did a lot of walking this week too, to offset any unwanted carbs that I might have had. And that's how I've been very successful, by walking, because I tried running and I tried jogging, and I shouldn't say can't, but I just don't feel like I want to do that, take a chance in injuring myself, because I just had my hips replaced. But as far as my 50-mile walking challenge for this month, I have 30 miles of walking in this month. We still have about a week and a half left to go, but we'll see what happens. Tonight we do the charity, and you know, yeah, I'll get a 2.5 to 3 miles there, and then of course all next week looks really well in the 60s for walking. So we're going to try to get some more walking in next week, and every day we do a little bit of walking here and there. Remember, every mile adds up. It adds up to 1 pound of weight loss when you can walk a certain amount of steps and burn up the calories that you had from that day. So be that as it said, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope those words encourage you to get out there and do something about your weight and get healthy. And as always, I'm not a doctor. I don't make any medical claims. Please get permission from your doctor first. And be that as said, you guys have an amazing day, and see you on the next video.